Okay, well, got a little more to do. Pretty much basically gonna try to clean this up some. $13mm. Alright. Seems like it would just come right off. It's like halfway off. There we go. Oh, it just has a little extra grip right there. So this is the Kickstarter. Had quite a bit of rust on the back, so we can clean that up really good. Probably hasn't been off there in a while. There we go. We got that off. I wanted to look behind here. This has got some more screws that have seen better days. So I'm gonna try, once I get them all off, I'm gonna try and get them all together, get the correct measurements for the sizes I need, and order them off the internet from a site that I found that sells the Japan industry standard style screw, which is what these are. They're pretty worn out. Okay, let's see here. This just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It's got a number inside there. This looks in all good shape. I don't really need to take all this loose, so I don't think I'm going to take it loose. I think I just fit this back on here and just clean it up on the bike. There we go. I have decided to take the front tire off, the front wheel. So I had this old plastic, this crate. So I set the motorcycle on there just to give me a little room to work from the tire. Speedometer, okay. That's easy. pulls out of the little slot here. You can actually take this on. It's got a groove. All the way through it, so you can groove it, you can thread the cables through. And then these twist. You can twist it back in. There's like a little hole right here. So what you need is a little screwdriver. Phillips, maybe like this one. You can jam in there. That way when you're turning the other side, it all should come loose, I would think. Not. There's that. Look at that. I got the wheel off. Got the wheel off. Now I can. Now I got some stuff to do. Got the wheel all the way off. We got the front shocks more accessible now to clean up. Not sure if we're going to take them all the way off or what. I got that off, and that's cool. I can actually take the tire off. And then I got to go down somewhere, motorcycle shop, I guess, and see if they can get me some tires. That's really cool. Now I can work on cleaning all this up. Pretty dirty. All right, good. I might as well take the speedometer off. So they got the cable loose and everything. It's got a couple of cotter pins down here. There's one. There's the other one. It's just gonna pull up like that. Here's the tack cable. So let's take the pins out of this one too. One flew out and I don't know where it went. But I'll have to find it. Let's see. I'm gonna give you a lot of room here. There we go. On the Speedo, we got a blue wire connecting to this one with 2 blue wires. Stick this in here first, real quick, and I'm going to take a couple pictures. Okay, so I got the tack unhooked. I took pictures as I was taking the wires off. Pretty much they're color coordinated. Just to be careful, I took a picture. And now I got the Speedo. Just gonna unhook this here. And I got that wire unhooked too, same kind of thing. So I got the gauges off. And then the Speedo cable can come out this way. All right. A shot of this comes out of here. There. And we got the tack cable off. Probably could use some new grease. Just being cleaned up some. Put some new grease on it. This is really dirty. So it's kind of nice we got that off. Clean that up. Okay. Making some progress. Let's see where we're at now. Let's take a look back here. That's where we're at now. We're getting it stripped down. Slowly. But I mean, that's some good progress this time. I do want to unhook this part of the throttle. It's a blue and a white wire connected right here. There we go. Didn't quite want to come loose. I do got a new set of like connectors. So I might be connecting some of this stuff with some new connectors. We got this brake cable. Same kind of thing. It's orange, looks like. And then we got a green and yellow striped. Brake cable. Okay. So now it's getting late. It's going to be getting dark. And somehow I got to put the motorcycle in the shed. With no front wheel on it. Here's the front wheel. That part was easy. Probably not super graceful, but I got it in there. Safe and sound, out of the weather. Okay, next time's more of the same. Next time, maybe the back wheel. Just move some of this stuff out of the way, because I can turn the wheel. And I gotta get the chain off. I think there's a link in here I can take off. Yeah. This one right here. Looks to me like it comes off. And then I can get all this stuff undone. Finish taking off the rest of the brake line. The brake for the, the brake hardware here. All this stuff for the foot brake. And then I can pull the back wheel off. And then we can get some new tires. Got these cracks in it. That's not good. Okay, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.